everyone! 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast. 1/3 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup warm milk. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix everything well. 1 1/8 cups flour sifted. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. The dough is still a little sticky, so add another 1 cup additional flour. Continue kneading the dough by hand. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Drizzle olive oil over the dough and knead it well. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. Grease a bowl with oil. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm spot for 60 minutes. The dough has risen beautifully. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Roll it into a ball. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Cover and let rest for 10 minutes. Dust the dough with flour. Roll out the dough as shown in the video. Spread butter over the surface of the dough. Sprinkle crushed hazelnuts over it. Make cuts in the dough. Repeat after me, it is very simple. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. Transfer to a baking dish. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Add a teaspoon of milk to the egg yolk. Brush the surface well with the egg mixture. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, it means a lot. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. About 5 minutes before the end of baking, turn the buns over. Perfectly baked. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.